Oh my, I'm thinking of buying a new vacuum this weekend. What do you think?
Really? What happened to your old one?
It's still worse, but it's heavy and doesn't clean well anymore. So I think I want to buy a new one.
Yeah, cordless vacuum are better. They're easy to move around.
I'm totally agree with you. So, where do you think we should buy it?
Maybe from Kimpro Electronic. I heard they have a good deal.
Good idea. So, where should we go?
Tomorrow afternoon will be a perfect.
Okay, but why don't we check online first before we going? See, we can check the price. Okay.
We can look at the feature and the prices.
Great. And after that, let's get some meshware. Deal.
The next day.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Clean4 Electronics. How can I help you today?
Hi. So we are looking for a new vacuum cleaner. So what do you recommend?
Good. You choose the right place to buy the vacuum. The first one, we have cordless, robots, and traditional vacuum. Which one do you interested?
Cordless sound good. It's easier for our room.
Great choice. This is the Clean4 V10. It's lightweight, has strong suction, and lasts up to 45 minutes per charge.
Oh, that sounds good. How long does the warranty last?
1 year. You can extend for another year if you want.
When will the promotion end?
This Sunday, you will get 200 off if you buy before that.
Okay, great. So what's the price of the discount?
It's 1,099, include free delivery.
Who should we contact if have a problem later?
You can call our customer service hotline or visit any branch.
Okay, so where does the delivery come from?
From our main store in the city. Usually delivery takes in 2 working days.
That's good. We'll take one. Here.
Perfect. I will prepare your receipt. Congratulations on your new vacuum.
Thank you so much.
3 weeks later.
Hello, is this Clean4 customer service?
Hi, yes, this is Clean4 customer service.
Okay, so I bought a V10 vacuum from Clean4 last week, but I'm having some problem with it.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
It keeps turning off after a few minutes.
Oh, I see. When did this start happening?
2 days after we use it.
Where did you buy it from?
From your Kimpro branch near City Mall.
Free.
Oh, alright. Who used it when the problem happened?
My did when she was cleaning the floor.
Oh, got it. Have you checked the filter or the battery connection?
Yes, but the problem is still there.
Alright, no problem. Since it's still under warranty, we can send a technician to check or replace it.
Okay, so how long will that take?
Usually 3 to 5 working days.
Why does it take that long?
Because the technician needs to test and confirm the problem first.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't worry, we'll fit it as soon as possible. Could I have your contact number, please?
Oh yeah, sure. Here it is. 014-866-2992.
Alright, thank you. We'll call you once it's ready.
Thanks for your help. Ni apa? Tiga. Tiga. Action. Boleh tak kamu first tak? Action. Maybe from Kimplo. Apa blow? Blow.